Good morning. Nvidia is solidifying its AI dominance, announcing a $1 billion investment in Nokia for 6G, a Doe supercomputer with Oracle, and a drug discovery pact with Eli Lilly. Is Nvidia becoming the indispensable foundation for all future technology, from telecoms to health? OpenAI has completed its complex transition to a for-profit entity, with Microsoft securing a 27% stake and access to models until 2032. Does this move, valued at $500 billion, betray OpenAI's original mission, or is it a necessary step to fund the path to edge? Security researchers are warning of critical vulnerabilities in AI agents, including a zero-click exploit targeting MCP servers and new risks from shadow agents. As enterprises rush to deploy AI, are they creating an ungovernable new security crisis? Plus, GitHub unveils Agent HQ to unify AI coding agents from OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic. China's DeepSeek AI expands use in military and crypto trading. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang's GTC keynote in DC draws political attention. AI and health. New models aid in sepsis, cancer, and drug discovery. OpenAI reveals over 1.2 meters weekly ChatGPT users discuss suicide. AI in education. Chegg lays off 45% as Gen Z feels unprepared for AI workforce. OpenAI offers free year of ChatGPT Go in India to boost user adoption. AI video and audio generation tools raise concerns over misinformation and addiction. Palo Alto Network secures AI agents with Cortex Agentics and Prisma AI RS 2.0. All this in today's episode of AI in the AM. Let's go. Nvidia has unleashed a torrent of high-profile partnerships, demonstrating its deep integration across nearly every major industry. The company announced a $1 billion equity investment in Nokia to pioneer AI-powered 6G telecommunications, in a separate blockbuster deal. Nvidia is partnering with the U.S. Department of Energy and Oracle to build one of the world's largest AI supercomputers. Not stopping at telecoms and government, Nvidia also announced a major collaboration with pharmaceutical giant Eli Lilly to build an AI factory supercomputer aimed at accelerating drug discovery. These moves, along with further partnerships with Palantir, CrowdStrike, and Siemens, cement Nvidia's role as the core infrastructure provider for the new AI-driven economy. In contrast, its chief rival is also making moves to secure its own position in the market. OpenAI has officially completed its corporate reorganization, moving from its capped profit structure to a new for-profit public benefit corporation. The move, which values the AI leader at a staggering $500 billion, was finalized after reviews by state attorneys general. This new structure cements Microsoft's role as a primary partner, with the tech giant securing a 27% stake valued at $135 billion and guaranteed access to OpenAI's advanced models until 2032, while CEO Sam Altman and Microsoft framed the deal as the next chapter and essential for funding AGI development. The restructuring has drawn criticism and reignited the debate over OpenAI's original non-profit mission to benefit all of humanity. Next up, this new corporate structure is already being put to use with major new commercial deals. A new front has opened in cybersecurity, the AI agent. Security firms are sounding the alarm over a new class of vulnerabilities. Researchers have detailed a zero-click attack that exploits MCP-managed and approved MCP tools, servers, and AI agents to steal data silently. This has led to a rush of new security-focused solutions. Lakera launched an open-source security benchmark for LLM backends to help companies test their defenses. Trade.ai introduced an agent gateway to mitigate the risks of shadow MCP and bring all agents under AID governance. These developments highlight a growing tension between the rapid democratized deployment of powerful AI agents and the urgent need for robust identity, governance, and security controls to prevent them from being exploited. Shifting focus, the creative industry is also seeing a massive new wave of AI tools. GitHub, which is owned by Microsoft, has announced a major expansion of its AI capabilities with the launch of Agent HQ. This new feature acts as a central hub, allowing developers to build, customize, and use AI agents from various providers including OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic directly within their workflow. The update also includes new AI-powered code review features that can see the full picture of a pull request, custom agents for the Copilot CLI, and upgraded Copilot functionality in Visual Studio Code. This move positions GitHub as an open, agent-native platform, aiming to weave AI assistance into every step of the software development lifecycle in parallel. Its parent company Microsoft is also expanding its own Copilot's capabilities. Reports have emerged detailing China's acceleration of AI in its military, with DeepSeek AI being integrated into autonomous combat vehicles, robot dogs, and drone swarms. This military adoption is happening just as DeepSeek's models, alongside Quen, are demonstrating superior performance in the Alpha Arena AI crypto trading challenge, reportedly achieving a 130% return in 10 days and far outpacing human traders. This dual-use capability powering both autonomous weapons and financial trading algorithms highlights the rapid advancement of Chinese AI models and raises new questions about their potential misuse, with some reports even suggesting OpenAI is probing DeepSeek for data misuse. Next up, another major AI company is also announcing new partnerships, but in the realm of e-commerce. All eyes are on Washington, D.C. as Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang prepares for a major keynote at the company's GDC conference. The event's location alone signals a significant strategic pivot. As tech leaders increasingly engage with policymakers on AI regulation and national security, the keynote is generating intense political buzz, with multiple outlets reporting that Huang is scheduled to meet with President Donald Trump, who has been praised by Huang. This convergence of AI leadership and political power underscores Nvidia's critical role in the U.S. technology strategy, as investors and politicians alike look for hints on the future of AI, data center growth, in competition with China. Relatedly, the technology Nvidia is pioneering is having a profound impact on science and medicine. Artificial intelligence is rapidly moving from the lab to the clinic with several new breakthroughs. A new study highlights the potential for AI to aid in the difficult diagnosis of sepsis, a life-threatening condition. Similarly, researchers at RSNA are presenting an AI model that can successfully identify interval breast cancers often missed in regular screenings. Beyond diagnostics, Atropos Health has launched an agentic AI platform to generate clinical evidence from patient data, with Stanford Healthcare as an early user. This push for AI in healthcare is also attracting major investment, exemplified by Eli Lilly's partnership with Nvidia to build a supercomputer dedicated to accelerating AI-driven drug discovery. Shifting focus, the rapid proliferation of AI is also raising significant mental health concerns. OpenAI has released concerning data showing that over 1.2 million users weekly and hundreds of thousands in the US alone exhibit signs of severe mental distress or express suicidal thoughts while interacting with ChatGPT. This has prompted the company to flag emotional reliance as a key safety risk. In response, OpenAI is strengthening ChatGPT's mental health guardrails, claiming its new GPT-5 model can recognize and respond to these crises with clinical precision by providing resources and suggesting users seek professional help. This development has intensified the debate around the ethics and dangers of AI chatbots being used as unqualified therapists, with some users forming deep emotional dependencies on their AI companions. In contrast, other tech companies are also looking at different ways to serve their users. The transformative impact of AI on education and the workforce is becoming starkly clear. EdTech company Chegg announced it is laying off 45% of its staff, citing the new reality of competing with generative AI tools. This massive job cut comes as a new study from Campus Technology reveals that 87% of Gen Z workers feel unprepared to succeed in a workforce increasingly dominated by AI. In response, institutions like Khan Academy are exploring how to use generative AI for student assessment, while universities from Drake to KLH Hyderabad are launching new AI-focused programs to bridge the skills gap. These events highlight a critical disconnect between the current education system and the urgent demands of the new AI-driven economy. Next up, OpenAI is also making a major push for user adoption in a key international market. In a major strategic push, OpenAI has announced it will offer its ChatGPT Go subscription service, which includes access to GPT-5 free for 1 year to all users in India. The promotion is set to begin on November 4th, just ahead of the company's Dev Day event in Bengaluru. This aggressive move is seen as an attempt to rapidly onboard millions of users in one of the world's largest and fastest-growing tech markets. By removing the cost barrier, OpenAI is betting it can outcompete rivals and establish ChatGPT as the dominant AI platform in the region. Meanwhile, as AI-generated text becomes ubiquitous, so does AI-generated video. The barrier to creating AI-generated content is collapsing. New reports highlight a proliferation of easy-to-use AI video editing apps, while ByteDance's Volcano engine claims its AI video model can cut costs by 72%. However, this democratization comes with significant risks. The ADL released a report showing that, despite safeguards, AI video tools are being used to produce anti-Semitic and violent content. One expert warned that these new tools could deepen social media addiction, while a viral AI-generated video falsely showing Western leaders making shocking revelations circulated in Europe. This growing wave of realistic AI-generated media is creating a complex challenge for platforms and regulators alike. In a related story, security firms are also grappling with new AI-driven threats. Palo Alto Networks is making a major push into AI security, launching new platforms to protect what it calls the agentic workforce. The company unveiled Cortex Agentix, a platform for building and deploying secure AI agents, and Prisma AIRS 2.0, which aims to secure AI innovation across the enterprise. In a blog post, the company outlined its vision for an agentic AI platform to manage the future workforce. This move places Palo Alto Networks in direct competition with other security firms and cloud providers who are all racing to offer solutions for the novel security challenges posed by autonomous agentic AI. Shifting gears, the legal profession is also beginning to reckon with AI's impact. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button, and we'll see you next time on AI in the AM.